end user migration in Zendesk. Taking your data from one system and bringing it to another one can be daunting, but luckily Zendesk offers some free tools on how to do that. And one of those capabilities is migrating users, end users, your customers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Before we begin, some limitations. You can only migrate 2,000 users at a time. So if you have 200,000 users, you divide that by 2,000 and you get 100. So you have to repeat the same process I'm about to share with you 100 times. You can of course use the Zendesk API without any limitations. But if you don't know how to do that, then you should talk to an expert. Another limitation is please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel because you're getting all this free content and I'd really appreciate the support. Thank you so much. Now for the demo. I have my screen shared and I'm in my Zendesk and I'm going to go here on the left hand side and click these two people in customers, and I'm going to go at the top right here where it says actions and I'm going to go to bulk import. I'm going to leave everything as is. So I'm going to allow create new users, update existing users, and send an email notification to users if I change their password. I'm not going to allow this to downgrade my agents to end users. And in here, I essentially have to select the CSV, but I don't have that yet. So I'm going to have this helpful tool here on the right, which is going to take me to an article. Now, if I open this article, I will let you read all of this information on how to format your data. I'm just going to scroll all the way down where I have some files, and here they are. So it's this one. I'm going to click it and I'm going to download it. In my downloads, you have to open this in your own spreadsheet. I don't have one, but I use Google Docs. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to say file upload, just select the document. Let it go to space and come back. Here it is. Now, when I open this up, I'm going to see I have a table like any other table, and I have to format my data. Now, let's take some examples. I have a name, email, external ID, details, notes, phone, role, etc. Let's add some names. Let's put Biggie Smalls. Let's put Smalls, Biggie. These are my users that I'm migrating. And Chubby Chase. Email, let's say biggie@smalls.com. Okay, let's do this again. Biggie1, Biggie2. All right. Now let's put some notes. Note 1, note 2, note 3. I can put a phone number if I want. Each individual one has a phone number. I can put in here some tags. Tag 1, tag 2, tag 3, just to make this look good. You can also put custom fields, but I'm not going to. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to export this, download as a CSV, comma separated, save this up. Okay, so now I go back to my Zendesk. In my bulk imports, I go to choose file. I choose my file, import. Okay, I have done my import now, so I'm going to go to my Zendesk supports, and I'm now going to refresh my screen like a good admin. And here we go. So latest 3 entries are Biggie Smalls, Chubby Chase, Smalls Biggie, and I see here my tags. Let's see, one user. Let's check out. Okay, their phone number is here, email is here, tag is here. Yeah, everything checks out. So all good. And for some conclusions, this is a very useful tool for you to bulk import your customers into Zendesk. It's ideal for small organizations. If you're a larger organization, it can be a pain because there's a lot of data that you have to separate into 2,000 or less users in order to migrate this in phases so you have all your information available. Overall, I think it's a great tool for you to use, and have fun with it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.